In the world of firearms, one particular Russian assault rifle stands out for its unique feature designed to increase hit probability in adverse combat conditions. This feature allows for the delay of felt recoil for the first 2 rounds, creating a hyperburst mechanism where the second shot fires almost immediately after the first, at a stated 1,800 rounds per minute. Can you name this assault rifle, designed by Gennady Nikonov and intended as a replacement for the AK-74 series that, despite its complexity and cost, still found limited use as a special purpose weapon? This is the AN-94.